Welcome to the Filipino lesson for beginners. We shall continue to learn more vocabulary and sentence construction before moving on to building conversations,
Walang sinuman.
which means nobody,
Walang tasa.
which means no cup,
Walang kaibigan.
which means no friend,
Paki.
is a polite expression used before the sentence to request the person to follow an action directed by you. For example,
Pakiupo.
which means please sit,
Pakiupo dito.
which means please sit here,
Upo.
is a command or request to sit down.
May tao ba dito?
Which means, is there anyone here?
Maari ba akong umupo dito?
Which means, can I sit here?
Umupo.
Describes the action of sitting down, rather than a command or request. We shall slowly move on to the conversations. This is a conversation between you and another person at the library. You were normally the first person to enter the library, but pleasantly surprised to see a girl already inside today. You asked,
May tao ba dito?
"Is there anyone here?" The girl clarified,
Walang sinuman po.
"Nobody." You were equally amazed to see the girl interested in the same genre as yours. You politely asked,
Maari ba akong umupo dito?
"Can I sit here?" The girl responded,
Pakiupo dito.
"Please sit here." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
May tao ba dito? Walang sinuman po. Maari ba akong umupo dito? Pakiupo dito. Kumain ng umagon.
Which means, eat breakfast.
Kumain ng tanghalian.
Which means, eat lunch.
Kumain ng hapunan.
Which means, eat dinner. We shall now learn the expression of time in Filipino language. The Spanish way of telling time in Filipino language is more commonly used and will be dealt with in this lesson. There is also the Tagalog way of telling time, which uses the traditional number system,
Alas una.
which means 1 o'clock,
Alas dos.
which means 2 o'clock,
Alas tres.
which means 3 o'clock,
Alas cuatro.
which means 4 o'clock,
Alas cinco.
which means 5 o'clock,
Alas sais.
which means 6 o'clock,
Alas siete.
which means 7 o'clock,
Alas ocho.
which means 8 o'clock,
Alas nuebe.
which means 9 o'clock,
Alas diez.
which means 10 o'clock,
Alas once.
which means 11 o'clock,
Alas doce.
which means 12 o'clock. Now, we shall learn to express time with minutes,
Alas una cinco.
which means 1:05,
Alas dos diez.
which means 2:10,
Alas tres quince.
which means 3:15,
Alas cuatro veinte.
which means 4:20.
Umaga.
Is used to signify the time period from 12 a.m. to 11:59 a.m. For example,
Alas tres. 25 ng umaga.
which means 3:25 a.m.,
Alas sais. 30 ng umaga.
which means 6:30 a.m.,
Alas nuebe. 35 ng umaga.
which means 9:35 a.m.
Hapon.
Is used to signify the time period from 1 p.m. to 5:59 p.m. For example,
Alas 1:40 ng hapon.
which means 1:40 p.m.,
Alas tres. 4:45 ng hapon.
which means 3:45 p.m.,
Alas 5:50 ng hapon.
which means 5:50 p.m.,
Gabi.
is used to signify the time period from 6 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. For example,
Alas 6:55 ng gabi.
which means 6:55 p.m.,
Alas 8 ng gabi.
which means 8 p.m.,
Alas 10:05 ng gabi.
which means 10:05 p.m.,
Tanghali.
is used to signify noon, while
Hating gabi.
is used to signify midnight,
Alas 12 ng tanghali.
which means 12 p.m.,
Alas 12 ng hating gabi.
which means 12 a.m.,
Medya.
is derived from the Spanish word media, which is used to refer to 30 minutes as half an hour. For example,
Alas 7:30,
which means 7:30,
Alas 11:30.
which means 11:30,
Anong oras na ngayon?
which means what time is it now,
Alas 11:11 ng umaga.
which means it is 11:11 a.m.
Anong oras ka kumakain ng tanghalian?
which means what time do you have lunch,
Kumakain ako ng tanghalian ng alas 12 ng tanghali.
which means I eat lunch at 12 p.m. We shall slowly move on to the conversations. This is a conversation between you and your office colleague. Your colleague asked,
Anong oras na ngayon?
"What time is it now?" You check your watch and replied,
Alas 11:11 ng umaga.
"It is 11:11 a.m. now." Your colleague is probably hungry and asked,
Anong oras ka kumakain ng tanghalian?
"What time do you have lunch?" You responded,
Kumakain ako ng tanghalian ng alas 12 ng tanghali.
"I eat lunch at 12 p.m." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Anong oras na ngayon? Alas 11:11 ng umaga. Anong oras ka kumakain ng tanghalian? Kumakain ako ng tanghalian ng alas 12 ng tanghali.
Thank you for the patient learning. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any doubts regarding the Filipino lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.